The Getting Ahead program is a 16-week workshop for students who may need additional support and financial resources in order to be successful in college and life. During the workshop, students learn and discuss issues and strategies for gaining stability, understanding what others expect of you, learning about available resources in our community, and more. The object of the program is to assist students in getting ahead in college, work, and life. In addition, students will receive a scholarship for their participation. To qualify for the program, students must be enrolled in a minimum of 3 credits, have a 2.0 GPA, and have qualified for the current year's FAFSA Pell Grant. Applications can be found on the Counseling Center's website.
TMCC's counseling office offers a variety of assessments to help you understand better your values, your needs, and your aptitudes. Using this information in workshops and one-on-one meetings, we can help you determine which career will satisfy your personal needs as well as your financial needs.